So I'll be showing you how to turn off or how to switch off your Samsung Galaxy A55. Now, most people think just long pressing the side button or the power button should switch off your phone or bring up the power menu, but that brings up Bixby. So actually, to turn off your phone, press and hold the side button and volume down buttons. Now, you have to press and hold. If you press once and release, that's going to take a screenshot. So it's press and hold, and then the power menu appears, and from the power menu you can tap on power off and tap on power off again to switch off your phone. But before you do that, let me quickly show you another method of bringing up the power menu. If you swipe down to the quick settings panel, you should see a power button there, so just tap on it, and then once again you get the power menu from where you can tap on power off, and to switch off, tap on power off again, and that's going to turn off your phone. Now, in case you want to use this single button, in case you don't want to pressing, or rather in case you don't want to be pressing a button combo to turn off your phone, you just want to get the power button to turn off your phone, then you can actually customize that in the settings. So if you go into settings and then go to advanced features, and then under advanced features, go to side button, tap on that, and then under side button, you should see press and hold side button, and press and hold is set to wake Bixby. So you want to select power off menu, and that means you're going to reclaim this button as the power button. So normally you use this to turn on your phone. Now you can also use it to turn off your phone. So just long press, it's going to bring up the power menu, and you can use that to now quickly turn off your phone without necessarily having to use the button combination. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.